Why waste time with brackets when you don't have to? The Trader EasyFit 2-gang PowerPoint snaps straight into plasterboard with its bracketless design. Fast, solid, and stress-free. Heavy-duty brass terminals handle up to 4 times 2.5 cable for reliable connections. And the UV-stabilized faceplate means it won't fade over time. If you're sick of brackets slowing you down, upgrade to the Trader EasyFit PowerPoint, available now at Sparky Direct. Let us know in the comment section below if you think this is a time saver.